Hello everyone, welcome to WebDev Warrior. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can implement dark light mode in your website using Tailwind CSS. So nowadays, this dark light mode is essential for every website. So every developer must understand how to implement this dark and light mode in website. Today I am going to show you how you can easily implement this feature using Tailwind CSS. So here I have a simple website where I have a logo, some nav links, and a button that says dark and some content. So first, for the logo, let's add a dark property. So in Tailwind we have this dark, and in the dark mode I am going to apply a text of white. Now if I save, you can see our logo is white. But why is that? That is because by default Tailwind CSS pick up your system's preference, and using this system's preference, the style is applied. Let's say if your system preference is dark mode, then Tailwind CSS will apply the dark styling in your website. And if your system preference is in light mode, then Tailwind CSS will not apply the dark styling. In my website, in my application, I have the system preference of dark mode. That's why it's applying the dark styling. Now for this div, let's add a background. So in dark mode, we are going to apply a background, so VG of black. Now if I say, you can see now we have a black background. So let's make the height auto. So now you can see we have this dark background. And now for this enabling, in the dark, the text will be white, and in the button, in the dark mode, the background will be white, and in dark mode the text will be white. Now if I say no, in dark the text will be black. Now if I say, you can see now we have this nav links with white color and this white background button. Now I'm going to add the dark mode in this content also. So here in the dark mode, we are going to apply a text of white. Now if I save, you can see we have this white color text. Now this is one method, which is the system preference. Now if you want to toggle between dark and light mode using a button, how you can do this? It's also pretty simple. So for this you have to go to your Tailwind config, and here you have to add a dark mode, and then you have to add this class. So now if I save, you can see now it's in the light mode. So how we can convert this into a dark mode? So to convert this into a dark mode, we just need to add a class name here, which is dark. So now if I save, now you can see it's in the dark mode now. So now we have to build some kind of functionality so we can add these classes dynamically based on the click. So for this, I'm going to create a state variable here. So const, and we have dark and set dark, and I'm going to use the youth state, and initially the dark mode will be false. And then I'm going to create a function mode handler, which will be an arrow function, and it will set our dark to not dark, so opposite of the dark. So if it is false, then it will toggle it to true, and if it is true, then it will toggle to false. Now we have this mode handler function. Now when we click on this button to on click, I'm going to call our mode handler, and this text will be based on the mode. So if the dark is true, that means we are in dark mode, Then we are going to use light, and if we are in the light mode, then we will show the text of dark. Now if I say, and you can see we have dark, so it will be opposite. So if the dark, we are going to show the text dark, otherwise light. Let's save this. Yes, now it's all right. It's there. So when I click here, it will convert it to a light. So here now we have to dynamically change this. So I'm going to use the template literal, and I'm going to add this condition. So if the dark is true, then we are going to add the class dark. Otherwise, we are not going to add anything. Now if I click here, you can see it's toggle between light and dark. But here the text is not right. I think it will be light and it is dark. And if I say, now it's okay. Now you can see there is no transition here. So to add some transition, I am going to open my global CSS, and here for everything I am going to apply a transition of all, and duration will be 200 milliseconds. Now if I save and click here, you can see now we have a transition effect, and that looks very nice. So our dark light mode is implemented. You can see how easy it is to implement a dark light mode using Tailwind CSS. So that's it for today. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting web development content. Thanks for today.